Welcome to our channel, fellow nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey into the fascinating world of Canis familiaris, the domestic dog. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover 10 extraordinary facts about these beloved creatures, secrets that lie hidden beneath their playful exterior. Get ready to see dogs, our faithful companions, in a whole new light. While dogs may not perceive time in the same way we do, they possess an uncanny awareness of routines and cycles. This internal clock, known as a circadian rhythm, allows them to anticipate events like daily walks, meal times, and even the arrival of their human companions. Observe as the sun begins to set, a familiar restlessness stirs within our canine friends. It's the subtle shift in light, the change in the air's scent, and perhaps even the distant rumble of a familiar car engine that triggers a response. Dogs, masters of their own temporal domain, navigate this intricate world with an instinctual grace that continues to fascinate us. So the next time your furry friend greets you at the door, remember, they are demonstrating an ancient and profound understanding of the ebb and flow of time itself. The canine sense of smell is a superpower, one that allows them to perceive the world in ways we can only imagine. But their olfactory prowess extends far beyond sniffing out treats or a distant squirrel. Dogs, it turns out, are also adept at deciphering the language of human emotions. Imagine a world painted not in colors, but in a kaleidoscope of scents, each subtle variation telling a story. They can detect minute changes in our body chemistry, the telltale signs of fear, anxiety, or joy, carried on the subtle molecules of our sweat and breath. Dogs can sense a range of emotions, from the joyous excitement of a homecoming to the quiet sorrow of a grieving heart. This ability to perceive and respond to our emotions is perhaps one of the most endearing qualities of dogs. So, the next time your dog nuzzles you with a comforting warmth, know that they are offering solace, a silent acknowledgement of the emotions you may be feeling. We often marvel at the keen eyesight of an eagle or the stealthy movement of a cat, but the auditory world of a dog is equally remarkable. Their ears, those expressive flaps that twitch and turn with such endearing curiosity, hold the key to a soundscape far richer and more nuanced than our own. Imagine hearing a whisper from across a crowded room, or the rustle of leaves from a distant forest. Their hearing range, extending far beyond the limits of human perception, allows them to detect sounds at frequencies we can only dream of. While we struggle to perceive the high-pitched whine of a dog whistle, to our canine companions, it's a clear and distinct call. Dogs also possess an uncanny ability to pinpoint the location of a sound with remarkable accuracy. Those mobile ears, acting like miniature radar dishes, swivel independently, capturing sound waves and triangulating their origin with astonishing precision. This extraordinary sense of hearing is a vital tool that has enabled dogs to thrive in diverse environments. We humans often forget that the animal kingdom is full of surprises, mirroring our own complexities. Take, for instance, the concept of handedness. Our canine companions exhibit this fascinating quirk, revealing left-pawed and right-pawed individuals. Just as we favor one hand, dogs display a paw preference. Scientists believe paw preference is linked to brain hemispheres. So the next time you watch your furry friend at play, take note of which paw they favor. In the intricate tapestry of the natural world, patterns abound, each species bearing unique markings that set them apart. Dogs, it turns out, possess their own remarkable form of identification, hidden in plain sight, their nose prints. Just as no two human fingerprints are alike, each dog's noseprint is utterly unique, a complex pattern of ridges and swirls as individual as a snowflake. This remarkable feature, often overlooked, is gaining recognition as a reliable method of identification, a natural barcode that sets each canine apart. By capturing a high-resolution image of a dog's nose, specialized software can analyze the intricate patterns, creating a digital signature that is virtually impossible to duplicate. This innovative approach to identification offers several advantages over traditional methods like microchipping. It's non-invasive, requiring no needles or implants, And the nose print, unlike a microchip, is always visible, making it easier to identify lost or stolen dogs. Moreover, nose print technology has the potential to revolutionize animal shelters and rescue organizations. Throughout history, dogs have been credited with possessing an almost mystical connection to the unseen world, a sixth sense that allows them to perceive what we humans, with our limited senses, cannot. Tales abound of dogs predicting natural disasters, sensing impending danger, or even detecting illness in their human companions. While science may not yet have all the answers, there's growing evidence to suggest that these seemingly supernatural abilities are rooted in their highly developed senses. Consider, for instance, their remarkable sense of smell. Dogs can detect minute changes in the environment, picking up on subtle shifts in barometric pressure, the release of underground gases before an earthquake, or even the faint metallic scent of fear and adrenaline that humans emit when danger is near. Their acute hearing, too, plays a role. Dogs can detect infrasound sound waves below the range of human hearing, which are often associated with natural disasters like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. While we may never fully understand the extent of their perceptive abilities, one thing is certain: dogs inhabit a sensory world far richer and more complex than our own. In the grand theater of the animal kingdom, few species can match the social intelligence of dogs. Their ability to understand and respond to human cues, their capacity for empathy and cooperation, sets them apart as masters of interspecies communication. Over thousands of years of domestication, dogs have evolved alongside humans, learning to decipher our complex social signals, reading our body language, facial expressions, and even the subtle nuances of our tone of voice with an accuracy that rivals and in some cases surpasses that of our closest primate relatives. Consider the simple act of pointing. For humans, it's an innate gesture, a way of directing attention. Yet for most animals, it holds little meaning. Dogs, however, understand the significance of this gesture, readily following our gaze and interpreting our intentions with remarkable accuracy. This profound social intelligence is woven into the very fabric of their being, a testament to the powerful bond that has developed between humans and dogs over millennia of shared existence. We humans take our ability to sweat for granted, this essential bodily function that helps regulate our temperature, keeping us cool amidst the sweltering heat. Dogs, however, haven't quite mastered the art of full-body perspiration. Their approach to thermoregulation, while effective, is a bit more, shall we say, particular. Unlike us, dogs lack sweat glands across most of their bodies. Instead, their primary means of sweating is through their paws. Those adorable pads, so adept at gripping slippery floors and leaving muddy paw prints, also house a network of sweat glands that release small amounts of sweat, helping to cool them down. However, paw sweating alone isn't enough to keep a dog cool, especially in hot weather. That's where panting comes in. When a dog pants, they rapidly inhale cool air over their moist tongues and into their lungs, helping to regulate their body temperature. The canine sense of smell is a superpower, allowing them to perceive the world in ways we humans can only imagine. But this extraordinary sense goes beyond sniffing out treats. Dogs can detect disease, their noses acting as diagnostic tools. Imagine a world where a simple sniff could detect cancer or alert us to a seizure. With 300 million olfactory receptors, dogs can detect minute changes in human body chemistry. Cancer alters the odor of breath, urine, and sweat. Dogs can be trained to detect these changes, alerting medical professionals early. Their ability to sniff out disease offers a non-invasive, cost-effective, and life-saving tool. We often marvel at the intellectual prowess of primates, their ability to solve complex problems, use tools, and even communicate. But what about our canine companions? Are they capable of more than just fetching slippers and chasing squirrels? Yes, they are. Dogs possess a surprising aptitude for mathematics, understanding numbers and counting. Imagine presenting a dog with 1 treat plus 1 treat equals 2 treats. Dogs can distinguish between different quantities, reacting with surprise or disappointment. This sense of numerosity allows dogs to track objects, recognize patterns, and perform simple calculations. It reveals a hidden world of canine intelligence that continues to surprise and amaze us. As we conclude our journey into the fascinating world of dogs, we're left with a profound appreciation for these extraordinary creatures. Their senses, their intelligence, their unwavering loyalty, all serve as a testament to the power of evolution and the enduring bond between humans and animals. If you enjoyed this exploration into the hidden lives of dogs, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your fellow dog lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing animal adventures. And be sure to let us know in the comments which fact surprised you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.